So we are just discussing the question paper first, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the periodic assessment 1. We included 5 chapters and the grammar portions like jumla ismiya, jumla fi'liya, then marfu'at, nasb al-fi'l mudari, then nasb al-fi'l mudari, jazm al-fi'l mudari, like that. Okay. So marfu'at is the main. So every question papers are 4 sections. Section A, reading, and section B, writing, section C, grammar, and section D, translation and literature. Okay, so first section A, reading. That's for 10 marks. Usually it's 10 marks. But in those 10 marks, you will get 2 types of unseen paragraph and some questions followed by that. Here the first question is like that, but the first 5 questions are like that based on that paragraph. But the second 5 questions, that's my personal interest to add some other questions. Okay, anyway, so let's see how to find the answers. Okay, so Aina Takau Kerala. That's the first question. So when you get a question like this, the answers are given في شمال الهند, في شرق الهند, في جنوب الهند. Options are given. Okay, options are given. So what you want to do to get the answer? It's very simple. Just search for the question words in the paragraph. Like Aina Takau Kerala. So you just search for where is Takau Kerala. Okay, so just search Kerala Vilayatun Jamilatun fi Junubil Hindi. Okay, so the answer is there. Fi Junubil Hindi, coming there. So you can say that yeah, the answer is definite. It is Junubil Hind. Kerala Vilayatun Jamilatun fi Junubil Hind. Okay, so that is the answer. Junubil Hind is the answer. Okay, and when you look at the second question, Ma huwa taqsu fi Kerala? Harun وجاف معتدل وممتد. So تشتهر كيرلا بالطبيعة الخضراء والأنعام والبحيرات. الطقس, the word taqs came. That is the word in the question. في كيرلا معتدل وممتع. Okay, so that is the answer. معتدل وممتع. Okay, معتدل وممتع. And then look at the third question. ماذا يعمل كثير من الناس في كيرلا? Second line. يعمل كثير من الناس في الزراعة والسياحة. Okay, the answer is given. الزراعة والسياحة. Okay, الزراعة والسياحة. لماذا يزور السياح كيرلا? So look at the search for the suyah. Which word? Suyah. Okay, here this is the answer. Okay, يزور السياح سياح Kerala كل لجمالها وهديها. That is the answer. That's given here. Okay, لجمالها وهدوئها. So that is the way of finding the answer. Okay, and in this question we can get one question from outside. Usually one question comes out from outside. So that is the fifth question. Kalimatun nas. So there is a word kalimat, a nas. So what is it? Is it mufrad, musanna, jam'a? We have studied mufrad is singular, musanna dual, jam'a plural. So which word is that? Anas?
Jam'ah.
Yeah, that is jam'ah. Okay. So that's so simple, right? Okay. And now find a nominal sentence. Find a nominal sentence. Okay. Next question is find a nominal sentence. Just find a nominal sentence. Can you please find a nominal sentence?
So the first sentence.
Yeah. Nominal sentence. It's so simple. What is nominal sentence?
It starts with the subject.
Yeah, it starts with a noun. Okay.
Yes.
So the first sentence itself, a nominal sentence, so simple, right? Kerala vilayatun jamilatun. Okay. And find a verbal sentence. What is a verbal sentence?
It starts with a verb.
Yeah, a sentence that starts with a verb. So that's also. So where is a verbal sentence you can see here in this paragraph?
Last one. Last sentence.
Last one, okay. Yazuru suyahu. And also tashtahiru Kerala. That is also starting with a verb, right? Ya'malu kathiru minan nas. Okay.
Yes.
Annasu fi Kerala tayyibun. Is it a verbal sentence or nominal sentence? Annasu fi Kerala.
Nominal sentence.
That is nominal because nas is a noun. Okay, so that is a difference. Next question. Find a present verb from this paragraph. So if it is find a past verb, there is no past verb here. That question is wrong. So you can, if you know there is no past verb in this paragraph, you can just write there is no past verb. Okay, but you don't write any present verb. Okay, that will be wrong actually. It's okay. Yeah, find a present verb from the paragraph. What is a present verb?
Yamalu.
Ya'malu, present verb. Okay, then yujadu,
Yazuru.
yazuru, all are present verb. Okay. Find an accusative case from the paragraph. Find an accusative verb.
Bil tabi'atu.
Sorry?
Bil tabi'atu. Because a preposition is there, right?
That is not accusative case, right?
Accusative means nisb, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kerala vilayatun jamiyatun fi junubil Hind. تشتهر كيرلا بالطبيعة الباهرة. تكسو في كيرلا مثلا. يعمل كثير من الناس في الزراعة. يوجد في كيرلا الناس في كيرلا طيبون ويحبون الضيوف. ضيوف is accusative case. Okay, so that can be the answer. Yeah. Okay, that's a difficult question. Did you answer for that?
I think I wrote genitive case.
Actually, we asked it to write accusative case. Okay. Anyway, then section B comes for writing. Like there are four five types of sentences are given here. Ummi, baiti, hadiqati, qaryati, masjid, madrasati. So usually we will get questions like this related to school, like madrasati, maktabatul madrasa, mudarrisi, okay, mal'abul madrasa, okay, like that. Or you will get a question like related to your family, ummi, abi, baiti, Okay, like that. Or your surroundings like hadiqati, like uh, like that. Okay, hadiqati, that type of questions. Qariyati. Okay, yeah. So you have to write around 8 sentences, 50 words or 50 words. Juhizat minasatun. What is the answer? Third question, fill in the blanks by using the correct words given in the bracket. Juhizat minasatun. Can you say kabiran?
No,
Why?
not the same gender.
Yeah, minasat is female, so you cannot say kabiran. Can you say kabirat?
No,
Because why?
it's plural.
Kabirat is plural. So you have to say kabiratan only. Because minasat is singular and female. Okay. Yeah. Fatima dash. Can you say darisun? Fatima darisun?
No,
No. Why?
it's just a verb. It's not in present tense.
Fatima is female and darisun is not female. That is the main reason. Okay. Can you say Fatima yadrusu?
No,
Why?
it's not in female.
Yeah. So you have to say Fatima tadrusu. Okay. الطالبات داش الغناء. Can you say قدموا? Why can't you say قدموا?
Is it dual?
قدموا is plural, طالبات also plural. But قدموا is male, طالبات is female. Okay? For that we should know this type of questions can be answered easily if you have studied the conjugation. Like قدم قدم قدموا قدمت قدمتا قدمنا قدمت قدمتما قدمتم قدمتي قدمتما قدمتن قدمت قدمنا. Okay? So قدم قدم قدموا first three third person male. Okay? قدمت قدمتا قدمنا third person female. قدمت قدمتما قدمتم second person male. Okay, so here what is the problem? You cannot say qaddama qaddama qaddamu. So both qaddamu is male. So you cannot use it. Qaddamna. Qaddamna. Qaddamna is first person. Qaddamtu qaddamna. Right? So that is also not the answer. And qaddamna is the answer. That you can see third person plural, female plural. Okay, so qaddamat third person female singular, qaddamata third person singular dual female, and qaddamna third person plural female. So that is talibat. So when you get a word, you have to understand which type of word it is, whether it is male or female, whether it is singular, dual, plural, like that. Okay. And also here also we can see the same. Hadal waladu dash. Which one is the answer? Which one is the answer? Hello. Dhahibun is the answer. Okay. Why not zahibatun? Why not zahibun? Why not zahibatun?
It's female and walad is boy.
Yeah, okay. Zahibatun is female, but waladu is male. Zahibun? Zahibun?
Plural.
Yeah, that is plural, but waladu is singular. Okay. So make two sentences using any two words. Okay, so you can make two sentences. Any, like when you make the sentences, you can make either nominal sentence which starts with a noun, or verbal sentence which starts with a verb, or using kana, using inna, any sentence. Okay, like innal imtihana sahilun jiddan. Okay, yeah. And see, grammar. Define the doer with suitable examples. Al-fa'il. So when you define it, you have to write like fa'il is the doer. It becomes the subject of the verb, and it is nominative case, like that. You can write simply in your language. Okay, you have to write the example like katabal waladu ad-darsa. So waladu is fa'il. Okay, so that is nominative case. Just write it. You are getting 4 marks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Dash darisani fi safi salith. Anta, antum, antuma. For this, you should need to know the conjugation of the pronouns. Like huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Okay. What's the answer here? Make it fast.
Antuma.
Antuma is the answer. That's correct. Okay. Because anta, antuma. Darisani is dual. Okay. Here antuma only coming as dual. Anta is singular. Antum is plural. Okay. Anta darisun. Antum darisun. Antuma darisani. Ba. Dash banati saghirat.
Hunna.
Hunna. Hunna banatin saghirat. Okay. Hum. Whom we cannot use. Yeah, whom cannot be used because it is used for male. Banat is female. Here it's used for female but
Singular.
singular. Okay. Seventh question. Bring examples for two types of nominative cases. We have studied many nominative cases. What are the nominative cases we studied? Fa'il.
Fa'il. Mubtada khabar.
Mubtada khabar. Naib fa'il.
Khabar kana.
Ismu kana. Khabar inna. So you can write any example. Okay. Yeah. Then correct the sentence. Kana al-walada muntadiran. What's wrong with this sentence?
Al-waladu should be waladu.
Yeah. Ism of kana should be waladu. Okay. Yeah. هذا الباب مفتوحة. What's wrong?
Al-babat maftuhatan. It's in feminine form, but it should be in masculine form.
هذا الباب مفتوح. Okay. You can't say مفتوحة. Mubtada khabar, right? So here you can use a trick also. Sometimes you can find the answers from the question paper itself. Like look at the question 7. Bring examples for two types of nominative cases. Okay. So if you don't get any answer, you can just copy the anything from question paper. Like kanal waladu muntaliran. So you can just write kanal bintu muntaliratan. Just change the words. Okay, هذا الباب مفتوحة. So هذا like هذا الطاولة مفتوحة. Okay, like that. And translate any three of the following into English. Just translate الأولاد يلعبون كرة القدم.
Where the boys are playing football.
Okay, البنات ذهبن إلى المدرسة.
The girls are going to the school.
Here, girls not going. Girls went.
The girls went.
ذهبنا is past. So, you should be careful. Okay, this type of mistakes will lose your half mark. Okay. إن الحر شديد اليوم. إن الحر شديد اليوم. Not getting? Anybody?
It is a very hot today.
Today, yeah, it's very hot. It's very hot today. Okay. هؤلاء الطلاب مجتهدون.
They are hardworking boys.
Those students are hardworking. أختي ذكية جدا.
My sister is very smart.
Yeah. Okay. Translate any three of the following into Arabic. Only three you have to write, so it will be optional. Yeah. I want to learn Arabic. I want to learn Arabic. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just say the answer, please. I want to learn Arabic. If you don't know, just say what you know.
أريد أنا
أريد
أريد أنا
أريد
أنا
أريد أن أتعلم العربية. اللغة العربية. Hamid writes a letter.
يكتب حامد
رسالة. Okay. Where are you going?
أين أنت؟
أين تذهب? Okay. أين أنت تذهب? Yeah. Is this a new student? Is this a new student?
هل هذا طالب جديد؟
Okay. Do you know Arabic? Do you know Arabic? Yes or no question. Is this a new student? هل هذا طالب جديد؟
اللغة العربية؟
Yeah. هل تعرف اللغة العربية? Okay. So here translation. There is no way but to study the translation of all the chapters. We are doing it. Okay. An explanation, explanation, when you explain it, write the line you are going to explain, then write its translation, then write its explanation. Okay. Yeah, write the central idea of the poem Sparrow of Paradise.